Today we are checking out this amazingly affordable 4G solar-powered wireless outdoor security camera from the trackin store. As I mentioned before, this device is not only 100% cord-free, but it's also solar-powered, so you don't have to worry about anything. Once you've installed the camera and the solar power unit, I'll show you everything that is included with this device. I appreciate the fact that it is 100% wire-free, and I don't have to worry about how it will get its power or constantly having to recharge it, as this device comes with its own solar panel. It also does come with a rechargeable battery so that you can get it started right away. It has a power output of 8,000 mAh, and the solar panel provided is a 5-watt solar panel. These are completely IP65 rainproof, weatherproof, and weather-resistant, and I love the fact that utilizing an app, I can see, view, and play back anytime, anywhere. Included with this, you do get a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, while the device itself is 4G. I can also utilize the app to pan this camera 355 degrees, and it has a tilt feature of 90 degrees. Really allowing you to see every single corner of your place, keeping a close eye on your home, loved ones, or expensive items. Another thing I really love about it is the fact that you can two-way audio and user share, so me and my husband can not only both use this device and view everything that's going on outside our home, but we can also talk to each other through it, which I love. It also has humanoid detection and mobile app alerts that will let you know if there's motion detected. I found this extremely easy, not only to install, but also to learn how to control the app. It was very user-friendly. I absolutely love the extra security I have now utilizing this camera that I no longer have to think about anything with. So if you're looking to keep a closer eye on your home or belongings, I definitely recommend this 4G solar-powered wireless security camera and solar panel from the trackin store.